The rear hatch lift supports on your 2000 to 2006 GMC Yukon are gas-charged struts that keep the tailgate open. If your hatch sags or won't stay up, the struts likely need replacing. First, park on level ground to ensure stability during the repair. Use a prop rod to securely support the tailgate before beginning work. Locate the strut's ball joint ends where it attaches to the hatch and the vehicle body. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry off the retaining clips. Compress the strut using a C-clamp or vice grips to relieve pressure. Once compressed, fully detach the strut from both mounting points. Be extremely careful, as a failing strut can release unexpectedly. Always replace struts in pairs for balanced support. Ensure you have the correct replacement part number, such as GM5035400 for your Yukon model year. Installing the new lift supports is straightforward. Align one end of the new strut with the corresponding mounting point. Attach the strut to the mounting points, ensuring correct orientation to avoid bending or misalignment. Secure the retaining clips to lock the strut in place. Repeat this process for the other end of the strut. Carefully remove the prop rod and slowly test the tailgate's movement. It should open and close smoothly without sagging. If it doesn't, double-check the strut connections and orientation. Always replace both lift supports simultaneously to ensure even weight distribution and prevent premature failure of the new strut. Consider using aftermarket struts with nitrogen gas charges for improved durability and resistance to wear.